Hi guys, I was gifted a little side table for a porch or patio, or an inside table for a couch by the seller. I went ahead and opened the box, and this is how it comes. It is all bubble wrapped, and I will go ahead and get that open. It does say no tools required because the tools are given with it. So it does come with a little Allen wrench, some washers, and some screws. So I will get it unpacked and show you the pieces. All right, guys, I got it all unwrapped. It comes with 4 legs and the tabletop. So it is a small tabletop. Does come with a full instruction booklet on how to put it together. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it together, and then I'll let you see what it looks like. All right, guys, I got the table put together. It was very simple. As you can see, it just screwed together. Came with the screws and the washers. It was easy. It does have plastic on the bottom so it won't scrape. It is very lightweight, very clean top, easy to wipe off. Will be a great piece for outdoor. I'm gonna go set it in the spot that I'm gonna put on my porch, and I'll show you what it looks like. All right, guys, this is my porch, and this is where I put the table. It's perfect. It fits right in the spot that I wanted it to fit, very close to my couch, so people can put drinks or anything on it that they need to. If you're in the market for a small table, I would definitely grab you this one. Thanks.